Wealth Creators, unboxing AB Perfect Width roller. Let's check it out, the unboxing. All right. So it's the AB Carver Pro. Let's see. Of course, I got it off Amazon. Yeah, well, you gotta put it together. Okay. Center wheel. These gotta be the handles. And here are the knee pads. Voila, the knee pads. Handles. Instructions. And different exercises for beginner, intermediate, and expert. So get you one of these AB Carver Pro. Total gym, got the knee pads. Yeah. Shouldn't be too hard to put together. Okay. What's that? Got a little button here. If I can get it in there. Left is right. Okay. Now we getting there. That's right. And this left. Easy, huh? Just follow the direction. Left. Voila. There you have it. You got the perfect AB Carver Pro. I haven't used it yet, but I will do a rating on it. I like it so far. Just on appearance, I give it a 10. The knee pads and the roller, I give it a 10. Wealth is health, Wealth Creators. Check it out. I got it on Amazon. I paid $43 total. Not bad on Amazon, $43 total. Get you one. Perfect AB Carver. Let's get it, Wealth Creators. Health as well.